You save on your fat.
Yes and no. I said yes and no.
Alors pourquoi pas, en ce samedi, on est samedi? Samedi après-midi. On est dimanche, on ne le sait plus. Un beau souvenir dans cette boutique incroyable. Marie, arrête de crier, OK? C'est pas le fun un peu? C'est incroyable. La belle sirène dans toute sa splendeur. C'est fou. C'est pas quétaine pantoute, OK? C'est pas du tout quétaine. On est sur à quoi, là?
192.
C'est à 92.
192.
192. OK, on entre à l'intérieur. Bon, regarde Marie, c'est comme si tu étais avec nous, là. Tu reconnais ce fabuleux tapis d'escalier qui n'a pas changé depuis 1815. L'année où Abraham Lincoln est mort, je ne sais pas quand il est mort. Ah, boy. On a une émotion. La même graine est encore là, Marie, depuis la dernière fois que tu es venue. Oh! Si on trouve pas Marie, on peut en prendre un qui s'appelle Jasmine. Ça va faire pareil. Ils sont comme beaux, c'est ça le pire. Brittany. La reine! Ok, là, on est dans du... On est un peu dans le keten, kitsch. Oh mon Dieu. Fait en allegedly coquillage. Ouais, ça a l'air des vrais. Oh my God. C'est vraiment laid. C'est ça, là, ma grand-mère, elle devait avoir ça, là. Non, elle avait un gros coquillage, ma grand-mère, en fait. C'était pas mal mieux que ça. J'ai vu mon premier alligator cette année. On avait vu plus l'année passée, ben, il y a 2 ans. On a vu pas mal plus, les autres mois, il fait trop chaud. Mais on a vu, était dans un lac. Il y en a des affaires, hein. Mais lui, il est beau, par exemple. Non, c'est ça, on est des belles affaires, là. On va sortir d'ici. Oh!
Ah, il y a une
SpongeBob.
Check, elle a une mèche de cheveux.
Oh mon Dieu. Check SpongeBob. Bob l'éponge en bas. Alors, on termine pour le moment. Notre magasinage kitten est très kitsch chez Merlin. Hein, c'est-tu pas... Marie, arrête de crier. Mais c'est-tu pas incroyable? C'est de l'art contemporain de la fesse gauche. On rentre là. Après ça, on va manger chez Ichiban. Meilleur buffet en ville. Ichiban!
Ichiban!
On va chez Ichiban.
Ichiban!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Des crawfish. Ah, je pense qu'il y a une pieuvre là-dedans. Et elle sera épicée. Des bananes à frites. OK. On a de la bon. Bon, alors c'est très bon. On comprendra que ici la crevette est au complète. Bon, ben on repart Saratoga Springs vers Disney Springs. Ouais, c'est beau ça. Bon, alors aujourd'hui, on est en route vers... On est en route vers... Animal Kingdom. On va là pour voir les animaux dans la réserve des animaux. Parce que oui, Animal Kingdom, c'est surtout une immense réserve. Fait qu'on va essayer de survivre à ça aujourd'hui. Il fait genre 33 là, déjà. On est arrivé à Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom.
Olivia, you got your ticket on your phone still, yes, babe? Okay.
Bon ben, finalement, deuxième Starbucks le plus hot au monde. On s'en va en Afrique faire le Kilimanjaro Safari. Il est écœurant. Ils sont sérieux. Ils sont tous bien habillés en genre de safari. On se prépare à partir, faire notre safari, en espérant pas se faire manger. On arrive. Les gens embarquent. On s'en va tous à l'abattoir. Moi, j'espère voir des ours polaires ici aujourd'hui. S'il n'y en a pas, on va être bien déçus. Des orignons. Bon, OK. Fait qu'on se prépare à embarquer dans notre transport. C'est vraiment un safari. Bonjour! D'Afrique de l'Est. C'est une réserve ici qui est une vraie réserve. Donc, elle n'est pas gérée par Disney. On me dit que les animaux sont particulièrement féroces aujourd'hui. OK, on est parti.
Just a couple of reminders before we head on out. Let's make sure to remain with the movies seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs white shark at all times.
Donc,
And
on entre la réserve
If
Arambe.
you look above your head, you'll see the safari spotting guide. It'll help you point out some of the animals we should see today. I can't promise we'll see all of them, but I can promise we will see at least one. If you're taking any photos, make sure your device is on live mode. It's going to be the best way to get good photos of those animals since we won't be able to stop for all of them. And they're certainly not going to stop and pose for us. This is a real shark. I am really driving it, and we will hit real bumps. You can also leave 8 feet in the air. Here on the right
Oui, je
side,
sais, je l'ai vu.
copy with the baby. We'll copy are often thought to be relatives of zebras because of their black and white zebra stripe party pants. But they're actually
Hello
not
there.
a known relative of giraffes. And we know that because they have the exact same skeletal shape as a giraffe, just a little bit smaller, shrunken down, minus that super long neck. They also have the same super long free all that something they do isn't them just being lazy, it's actually to conserve their energy since they do all their hunting at night. So the males are going to stay home and guard their territory and their pride, whereas the females go out and do all the hunting. And they do all that hunting at night because their vision is 6 times better in the dark. So it's kind of like their own built-in night vision goggles. The way they communicate is by roaring super loud, and at their loudest, those roars can be heard from 5 miles away. Look, another water bug. Seeing as there are 6 of them over here, a group of them would be called a crash. We're now going to head into cat territory, but we're also actually going to see my favorite animal on the reserve. I have no gray birds are pink-backed pelican. And I know you're wondering, Jesse, why are they called pink-backed pelican if they're big white birds? Because during mating season, their skin turns a light pink color, so it's kind of like a blushing white brush. They've got a wingspan of about 7 to 9 feet, which is about the size of the canopy above our heads, and can fly for 24 hours straight at a time, over about 300 miles in distance. Despite their big wingspan, though, they're actually the smallest of all 9 species. About 90 pounds of food per day. I know that does sound like quite a lot of food to us, but for animals of their size, it's actually a pretty small amount. Since fully grown, they can weigh up to 5,000 buds of a tree. The Tree of Life nickname comes from it coming out of water, and its branches and its trunk. So a lot of trees as a source of for example, elephants are going to stick their tusks into the base of the tree, make holes, and then drink the water that way. So it's kind of like a spile or like a faucet. As we do make our way through the savannah, we're going to go by whichever animal is the closest to us. But we'll probably see some animals a little bit more
zebra.
small brown animals. These are springbok. They get their name because they can spring 6 feet straight
Oh my
up in the air
God.
when frightened, or 13 feet when moving through the air. So technically,
Oh,
that means
giraffe
they can jump
là-bas.
up and over our heads through the truck if they wanted to. They have a special word for zebras hanging out with them. A lot of people often wonder, are zebras black with white stripes or white with black stripes? I can tell you it's based on their nose color. So Hartman's mountain zebras like these guys have black noses, which means that they are black and zebras hanging out with them. A lot of people often wonder, are zebras black with white stripes or white with black stripes? I can tell you it's based on their nose color. So Hartman's mountain zebras like these guys have black noses, which means that they are black with fighting spirit and for fighting for the animals. They're the only antelope that's going to prefer to fight off their predators rather than to just run away because they're super territorial. They really don't like anyone hanging out in their area. When they're resting, they're going to sit in a circle facing different directions. All of the above. I'm only going to spend about 30 minutes per day sleeping.
Oh my
They're gonna develop
God.
their eyes open to stay
Un genre
so
là.
they can keep an eye out for their predators and run away at a moment's
Oh
notice.
mon Dieu.
As long as they only spend about 30 minutes per
Oui,
day
moi j'ai une
sleeping,
petite
what do they do with the
sœur.
rest
Elle est
of their
juste
day?
là.
We're watching, and about 20 hours of their day is spent grazing on food. So because of that, it's theorized that their purple tongues are to help protect them from getting any sunburn on them. And hopefully that is really cool. I think it might be think about those big horns are about 3 feet each or 6 feet tip to tip. They're pretty hollow, but they do have blood vessels running throughout and a honeycomb-like structure that's to help to keep them cool. It's basically like a built-in air conditioner. The great animals also there on the right side are wildebeest, and a herd of wildebeest would be called impossums. They're very social, friendly animals. They do usually like to hang out in larger groups and migrate once per year in groups of 1.5 million across. Made out of ivory. Ivory is pretty useless to us. We don't really use it for anything, and unfortunately, the U.S. is one of the top importers of this jewelry for material called coltan. Coltan is used in a lot of devices like laptops and cell phones. But the awesome thing about coltan is it's reusable and recyclable. It's absolutely great for us to use in the environment. So you can recycle all of these devices. So whenever you take a left around the place, push it into all these little devices.
Oh, there's a baby. Oh my god.
So right now she's hanging out with mom and
Yeah,
grandma.
baby.
Mom and grandma.
Oh mon dieu.
On the left side, bunch of greater flamingos. The greater flamingo are the largest of all flamingo, but also the lightest people of all flamingo. To get their pink color from eating lots and lots of brine shrimp, which has a protein in it called beta carotene. It's what gives them their pink color.
Bon ben, Africa. Bon ben, on repart Saratoga Springs vers Disney Springs. Hey, c'est beau ça.